Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best-selling disc golf discs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Franklin Sports Disc Golf Set. Buying a gift for the kids or want to practice in your backyard without spending a lot? Try the Triumph Sports Disc Golf Combo Set. This affordable set has a foldable target basket complete with mesh netting and an umbrella design catch area, plus 3 discs. The green basket is easy to spot and fun to practice your shot on. Additionally, you can pack up this target set quickly and transport it for trips and vacations. Bring it to barbecue cookouts, the beach, and even tailgates as a fun way to play disc golf anywhere. The fact that the target is much easier to move than a professional-grade target basket means that you can get creative and challenge yourself when practicing. Number 2. Our second best pick is Innova Champion Mako 3 Disc Golf. People love the Innova Champion Mako 3 Disc Golf disc for one reason: it always flies straight. Disc golfer after disc golfer praises this simple mid-range disc for its flight pattern, which lets users, both new to the game and experienced, improve their chances of hitting the target. Great at straight shots as well as hyzers, the Mako 3 sports speed and glide ratings of 5 and turn and fade numbers at 0. Available in a range of colors, this disc is approved for PDGA competition and is popular in many golfers' bags. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dynamic Discs Disc Golf Starter Set. The Disc Golf Starter Set from Dynamic Discs is a great way to introduce the sport of disc golf to beginners. This set is available in different sizes, a 3-piece, 4-piece, or 5-piece set. Each set includes discs every beginner needs: a putter, a mid-range disc, and a distance driver. Larger sets also include a high-speed driver and a fairway. While reviewers have noted that this set includes discs that are geared toward more advanced players, it's worth buying the bigger set at an affordable price for your budding disc golfer to grow into. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MVP Disc Sports Neutron Tesla Distance Driver. An ideal distance driver doesn't just go far, but it travels exactly where you want to put it. The MVP Disc Sports Neutron Tesla Distance Driver is designed to do just that. A distance version of the MVP Volt Fairway Driver, the Tesla allows disc golfers to throw from far away with true precision. The disc's design leads to reliable fade, minimal turning, stability, and a little extra distance at the end. MVP recommends this disc for golfers who like sidearm or backhand throws. This driver is approved for use by the PDGA and comes in a white, Neutron plastic design, which is easy to spot in the brush. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Innova Champion DX Dragon Golf Disc. With a speed rating of 8 and a level 5 glide, Innova's Dragon is designed to fly long, high, and accurately, with a modest fade and a 2-turn ratio. Optimal for mid-level disc golfers, the Dragon doesn't need a ton of throwing power to get going, providing more distance with less effort. It's constructed of a special blend of DX plastic, with great grip for assured launches, and weighs in at anywhere from 150 to 160 grams. It also floats on water in the unlikely event that the disc falls prey to a water hazard. It comes in red, yellow, pink, and orange. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.